Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Mr. Baker, and today is Wednesday, October 23rd. I just got done working on the avocados. So what I did this time, I had saved several eggshells throughout the week, the last couple weeks, and then washed them, dried them, and then crunched them all up and basically just buried them down in the soil. Be careful when you're digging. I use a big spoon because it's not very sharp, but be careful when you're digging that you don't cut the roots, and you don't want that to happen. So I just dug down a couple inches on each one, buried them all around, repacked the dirt, and then gave them a good watering. So now we're going to wait and see what happens. Like I said, today's the 23rd. That's to help keep note of what happens. The only other thing that I have done with these avocados outside is a couple months ago I diced up banana peels and buried those as well. So it's supposed to be natural fertilizer, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for tuning in, and adios.